Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yes, children. Now, as we have already learned about the good habits and healthy eating, do you remember what all things I have taught you about the good habits, children, about the magic words? Like if you use these words in your life, like sorry, thank you, and please, you'll become a favorite of everyone. Everyone will start liking you. Okay, so please, like a good habit means it can deal with like any good things in your life, like whatever your mama parents tells you, your teacher tells you, like you should be punctual, do your work on time, be disciplined, get up early get up on time, sleep on time, beta, have your meal on time. Okay, talk softly, talk politely, especially when you're talking to your elders, not to everyone. If even if the maid servant come to your home, talk to them softly, beta. All human beings are children of the same God. Remember, God is watching you. Each and every activity, whatever you're speaking, He is taking a record of it. So please don't feel that, oh, nobody is watching and immediately you start off. First of all, you keep your temper low. Drink water if you are angry. First of all, you should not be angry, it affects your health. And when you are in anger and when you react, it has a very bad effect on yourself and to the other person. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, आप गुस्सा आ गया, ना आपने भाई को डांट दिया, चिल्ला दिया, you scream and then you hit. That is wrong, beta. We should not do. It's not. It's a bad habit. है ना? And then go have a good healthy eating habit. Whatever mama cooks, fresh home food cook you should eat. है ना? Wash the fruits and vegetables. Okay, so that the germs are being removed from, and then you can have it. Have good salad. Nowadays we are having good vegetables. Have a green leafy vegetables, beta. Okay, so let us begin with the worksheet, beta. Okay, have you understood? I have recalled everything. Okay, now we will begin with the worksheet. Okay, let us start now. Now here is a Rahul. He is a boy. Okay, and he is having some of the good habits and some of the bad habits. So we have to tick mark all the good habits and we will cross out all the bad habit. First, I'll begin with number 1 here. I brush my teeth twice a day. Yes, this is correct. Okay, we'll go clockwise. Then, okay, now not clockwise, as it like I'm able to see whatever sentence in front of the screen, that way I'll go. I'll start this number 2, I'll make this number 2. I carelessly keep my things here and there and forget about them. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, next. I often have fights with my friends. No, you should not fight with your friends. I am always punctual to school. Very good. Means you are regular. Then I'll try to make these ones. Instead of, no, I won't put 1 and 2. We'll just read and put right and wrong. Wherever it is correct, I'll put a right mark. Here now, this side. I greet people whom I know with a smile. I know when to whomsoever I see, and if I know that person, I smile. Often I forget to comb my hair. That is wrong. Okay. Now I'll scroll little upward. Let me finish these also. Okay. Next now. I do not like animals, so I throw stones at them. No, absolutely. You should not hurt the animals. I complete my work on time. Very good, Rahul. Whenever I see someone in trouble, I help them. So nice of you. So, children, we should also try to have all the good habits which Rahul is having. है ना? Even Sarika teacher. है ना? Okay, let us go to the next. Question 2. Write any 3 magic words that you use often. आप जो अक्सर use करते हो. That is very simple one. Yes, please. Okay. Then sorry. And thank you. This usually we use it. है ना? Thank you. Okay. So 3 magic word, please, sorry, and thank you. Question number 3. Match the following. Yes, children. Now this side, it's all related to the good eating habits. This side column, okay, elephant, I'll do one thing first, I'll zoom little bit, so that the things are clear for you. Okay. Question number 3, match the following. Number 1, body building food. I'm doing this. Body building food. Which is a body building food? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it's a milk, egg, and beans. Okay, it gives you protein, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, next is the protective food. You know, protective food, all vegetables and fruits are protective food. So, apple, lime, and spinach, they are protective food. Oh, sorry, what I did. Number 2, that is. The first one is the milk, egg, and beans. Protective food, apple, lime, and spinach. Now, energy giving food is a banana, rice, and chapati. It gives you energy. Spices का मतलब मालूम है बेटा? Spices means masala. You know, clove means, what is clove? Clove means long. Mint means pudina. Pepper means kali mirch. Okay, chili. Okay, then turmeric, that is haldi. Chili powder, lal mirch. Okay, coriander powder, dhania powder. आप मामा की मसाला दानी में देखना सब. Tomorrow morning you see, okay, in the afternoon. You see all spices. These spices makes the food tasty. Mama adds all these spices. They are good for a health also. Then junk food, of course, everybody knows that pizza and the soft drinks are junk food, better. Okay. Next. Okay, first normal. Now it will shift. Okay. Question number 4. Read the clues and write the answer. Clue means here. Onion, apple, and dinner. Okay, these 3 words are given and these 3 clues they have given. We have to find the answer. Let us read the clue. Number 1. An dash a day keeps the doctor away. I know if I were in class, everybody would have shouted, yes, teacher, apple, yes. And A being a vowel, so an apple. Yes, A is a vowel, so an apple. Next, take off my skin and I won't cry, but you will. Who am I? When you cut, there's a tears in your eyes. What is it? Yes, onion. Onion. Children, many people have a habit of saying onion, onion, lion, lion. Please don't do that. It's lion. It's onion, onion. Next, I am the last meal of the day. There are 3 meals of the day. That is the breakfast, okay, then lunch and the dinner. So the last meal is the dinner, which we do at night. DINNER, dinner. ठीक है बेटे? Okay. Now comes the last question. Write short answers. Write any 2 good eating habits. 1. Eat fresh and homemade food. Okay. Number 2, chew your food well. ठीक से चबा के खाओ. Chew your food well. Chew it nicely. Your digestion starts from your mouth only. Next question. Why should we wash fruits before eating them? First you write the answer from the question. We should wash fruits before eating them. Before eating. EATING, that is I better. Before eating, to remove germs. To remove germs. Dust and germs, which that is actually germs only. Okay, so we should wash fruits before eating to remove germs. And write any two good eating habits. Eat fresh and home food. Second one, chew your food well. Beta, go through this. Please listen carefully again and again. And please try to write the worksheet, beta. Thank you. God bless you, beta.